Hi, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to take a picture of any objects or cells in Excel sheet. Okay, so what I have here is these cell values entered here, but I want a picture of this products and weights, these cell values. Okay, how can I do that? For that purpose we have already something called the camera command. Okay, how can we add a camera and how can we use it? Okay, let's go to the quick access toolbar here. Sometimes you can find in your Excel, in this place there is a quick access toolbar. Okay, you can sometimes it may be here under the ribbon also. Okay, under the ribbon sometimes you can find it, so you can place it under the ribbon or above the ribbon near the title bar. Okay, in my Excel I place it here. Probably you cannot find it here, you can find it there, something like this. Show below the ribbon. Okay, so it may appear below the ribbon also. Okay, or the above the ribbon, like this, below the ribbon. Okay, so I just make it show above the ribbon. Okay, how can we add a camera command to the quick access toolbar? Go here. Okay, more commands. Okay, either this way or you can also go to the files. Okay, in the files there is options here. Okay, in the options you got a quick access toolbar. Okay, so go here, quick access toolbar, then you can find a set of commands can be added as a shortcut to the quick access toolbar. You select all commands. In the all commands you can go to the it is in the sorted order. You can see there is one command called camera. Okay, so you select this and add. So once you add it here, press OK. You can see the camera icon is appearing in the quick access toolbar. Okay, you can do straight away access this command. Okay, so what I want a picture of this products weights, this place. Okay, this cells. Just go here and click. Okay, once click and in which place you want that picture to be placed, you go there and click it. You can see the same thing is taken as a picture. Okay, instead of cell values. Okay, for some reason you don't want the cell values to be edited, you want it to show as a picture sometimes in database diagrams and other things. Okay, we want the pictures, you can straight away use the camera command. Okay, if you use it will become a picture object. Okay, so here you can do all this kind of cropping, styling, all those stuff you can do it, or edit the picture and add background color or border, format picture. So whatever you do it for pictures, you can do the same things. You can add outlines, what kind of outlines you want, and you want a bigger outline, smaller outline, all those stuff. Okay, change color and stuff. Okay, so but this is not the cells, you cannot edit the values. Okay, it is basically a picture. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.